Alright guys, so today I want to do a quick review on my new compact 360 long range TV antenna that I have right here. I'm going to hook it up here, maybe we can still catch the game, but let's see how this works. So what do you get right here? Kind of like a quick how-to on how to do it. The antenna itself. So let's go ahead and unscrew it. We'll plug it into the TV, we'll do some scans, and then we'll go from there. But let's see the antenna itself. Even though it is a small antenna, you can literally move it wherever you want, and it's cool because you can take it wherever you need to take it. So let's plug it in. It actually says to keep them like this. Let's try it out. Okay, I think it's tight. All right, there we go. Let's do input. Let's do TV. Okay, and then let's do a search. Quick channel scan, air, yep. Alright guys, so I ended up fully extending the antenna, and as you can see, it starts to find channels right away. It goes all the way up to 28 channels. Really, really nice. Alright, looks like it's done. So you can see right in time for the game that I was hoping would load. So we got the Laker game on here. Looks like it's got perfect reception. Like I said, all coming from this little guy right here. It did happen to find 28 channels in my area. Like I said, that could fluctuate from wherever you're at. But honestly, for the size of this, I have a bigger antenna on my other TV, and I'm not even sure how many channels that got. But to me, that finding 28 channels is really, really good. So if you're looking for a nice compact antenna, I would highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.